Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's a warm January day here in New York. Today I'm going to show you something simple. I know people have had questions on how to do it. This is too simple. I'm going to show you how to unscrew the shift knob and install a Cobb shift knob. I actually have it off because I have the Cobb shift knob, but basically I'll show you. All you do is here's the stock shift knob. All you gotta do is break it loose because it is a little tight. Unscrew it like so. And you have this little spring here. Make sure that stays on there. Here's the new Cobb shift knob. I have the red anodized ring on it. And just screw it down. Very simple. I mean, I guess you could, it says Cobb on there. I guess you could screw it on a different way, if you wanted it, like, over here, but that's it. Alright guys, any questions, comments? Hope you don't have any questions because this is pretty simple. Alright, later.